Hey guys, this is my new kitty. His name is Pekoe, and I got him today, and my parents still don't know. And check this out, he's so cute. This is my fish tank, which you guys saw in the previous video, and isn't he so cute?
There's nothing wrong with being cut from the herd. It makes you the one buffalo that isn't there when the Indians run the rest of them off the cliff.
Huh? Mom, this isn't fair.
Because it's not just up to you. We have to do what's best for you.
Still exploring.
Mom, please. Don't make me go. Please. But it isn't fair.
That's right. It isn't fair. It's the first time anyone in this family has ever been given an edge.
Cutie.
You are not going to waste it.
Dad.
Honey?
Look, Malcolm, you see, for crying out loud, how come there's never any iced tea in this pitcher? I make a fresh batch every morning. It's gone by the time